abakuru ku rw'umukitongore cy'amahanga geterine ekiri kurebera impunje cya UNHCR babanza okubyara emiti aha nkungu z'omugyera Rwizi nabwanyuma bayigita abatura bo mu cyaro cya New Village mu kashanyarazi okuyonja omwanya ugu.
We as UNHCR, we are always protecting our environment in our projects. In all what we are doing in the settlement, we always take into consideration the environment. The environment is key for us, as you know. Since some time now, we are seeing what the worldwide, how the environment and impact is impacting the world.
Abaturage no kurango nabo bagira ubujunanizi kurango ibyo buhangwa ati byashishikara bejumbire mu kubyara emiti bejumbire mu gukora indijo imyoge ndijo etari yo kuza kushisha kebishara hari nko kutunga injuki aro kuri sebye nyanja ibyo nemwe mirimo etakushisha irishara
ahantu h'urukuru ekitongoreki ahabwa Mbarara Regional Office Sherubare Paulo Ali Paun yashaba abatura okufayo mununga ha mugyera ogu ahabwa oburungi bw'amagara gabo hamwe na n'entaasya y'orurembo rwa Mbarara.
This is not a sole activity you can do alone. We need to spread the news to all the citizens so that they know how to take care of the environment. They will know how to not dispose those plastics or cavera anyway. They should know that they have an environment officer at a mayor city. We should guide them to try to see how they can dispose those. I know they are necessary for us. We are taking juice from them, water and so on. But after that, we need to dispose them the way that they will not impact negatively our environment.
Twire ntubikora mu campus z'empunji ahitutwire kampo nke ya Nakivale ey'Urukinga ya Chaka ya Rwamwanja ibyo tutura ntubikora abukuba niyo meroma yitutura ntukorayo kugira ngo tuprotectinge amiza gutwine konga ha murundo ogwo mwaka ogwo ogw'ingumira 2023 twasharamo tweyongere yo kunuya mu district ya Mbarara abukuba twine empunje zikutura mu town omu kandi nazo zikosamiza gakorwa mu river Rwizi.
Icyo tukureba nawe omugyera gwine kuba gwina miza gago agari constant gari kwera so ntuterero muranga bari abantu bona bari bakora abiyomba encroachinga aha mugyera okurimo okutimba omusenyi okukora amatafari amugyera okuhinga hino mugyera ebyo babireke abo kuba nibisisha quality ya mizi kushanga ngo gairagura kandi yo gakoso mchange cye cyambara na handi hono shanga tigine garmabi gatakuhesa muzinya gona go kureba ngo noganya ninga no gakosa so ntero muranga abyo mu wena umanye ngo mugyera gwitu ngo twine gwayoma ninga gwacendera aha amiza gakushoboza nza kuba turiyo mukabika hango munonga.
Ukwezi kwa mukaga kukatongozo bwa homonsi yona onko kwezi ko kurinda byo bahangwa na munongo kurwana senkoze sambi yo bucupa hamwe na novuvera gasha kwa elachiza.